Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got another collection from MJ Lacquer, and this is Pay It Forward collection. We're going to have 5 new polishes added to her line, and this collection is going to be available on September 18th. And there's a 15% off launch code, or no, launch sale, and it's for the entire site. Believe she said the polishes are $11 each, and I will have a link for her down below. There is some shipping information, free shipping on US orders over $50 and free Canadian shipping on orders over $100. So let's hop into the polishes. This first one is offered to take a group photo. Next we have Reduce, Reuse, Recycle. Next we've got Pick Up a Stranger's Meal. Gorgeous. And next we've got Become a Mentor. And then finally we've got, this is a thermal and it's called Be Forgiving. And I will go over the ins and outs and descriptions as we go along with the swatches. First up, we've got Offer to Take a Group Photo, and this is a beautiful white acrylic with UCC flakies, matte and metallic, and hollow glitters. So Halloween. And I know this wasn't like a Halloween collection, but all of these polishes could really make for a beautiful Halloween manicure. So I'm going in with the second coat. Formula is awesome, and I love the components in this one. There's it on its own, and then we've got one with a little bit of Halloween nail art. This is Reduce, Reuse, Recycle, and it's a green base with UCC, iridescent flakies, and aurora shimmer, and all of that jumps out at you. I mean, you don't have to look for none of it. It's in there. And I typically don't gravitate to wearing green very much, but this one makes me want to wear green all the time. It is so pretty. Oh, yes. And there is a swatch photo on its own, and with a little bit of nail art. Next up, we've got Pick Up a Stranger's Meal. This is insane pretty. It's a neon orange base with UCC and metallic gold flakies. It's highlighted with orange, gold, and yellow color shifting shimmers. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I love this one. I love all of them. I'm not kidding you. All of them. You hear Cotton jingling in the background. He's here helping. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own, and then with a little bit of nail art. And here we go with another. Okay, there's 2 thermals in this, and this is the first one. This one is Become a Mentor, and it's a blurple to green thermal with a touch of micro hollow flakies and iridescent chameleon flakies. Now this one is absolutely stunning, and I actually picked up 3 colors. I've got and I'm showing you here, the pink, the green, and the blurple on the end. Such a crazy cool combo. Love it. So I've taken an extra picture of this one just because it was so different. Look at that. Loving it. And now for the last one, it's another thermal, and this one's called Be Forgiving. It's a red to gray thermal with iridescent flakies of pink, green, and gold. This thermal gives off a greenish hue when it's in its warm grayish state. And it does. It's just so cool. So, so pretty. These thermals just rock my world, I'm telling you. And before I forget, there will be a link to her storefront down in the description box. She will be running a sale when these polishes launch, if you want to get in on that. Capping that free edge. And I normally don't show touch-ups on my swatching videos, but today I'm going to. I'm fixing this little dip right here. Almost. We've almost got it. Yes, good save. And I'm going to show you me putting the top coat because I wanted you to see how reactive this one was. Very nice. Excellent job. And I am in love with all of these polishes. And here come my swatch photos for this last one. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this collection. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this, because I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.